Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your ad creatives in Google Ads Editor, beginner guide step by step clearly. To backup your ad creatives in Google Ads Editor, first, open Google Ads Editor on your computer. Once the application is open, sign into your Google Ads account if you haven't done so already. Next, select the account you want to work with from the account tree on the left side. After selecting the account, navigate to the Ads section in the toolbar. In the Ads section, you will see all your existing ad creatives listed. To select the ads you want to backup, hold down the Control key and click on each ad. If you want to backup all ads, simply use the Control plus a shortcut to select all. Once your ads are selected, go to the File menu in the top left corner. In the drop-down menu, choose the Export option. A submenu will appear. Select Export Selected Campaigns or Export Selected Ads depending on your needs. Choose the location on your computer where you want to save the backup file. Name your backup file clearly, so it's easy to identify later. Select the file format for your backup. It's best to choose CSV for easy access. Click Save to complete the export process. You will receive a confirmation message when the export is successful. Now, your ad creatives are safely backed up on your computer. To verify the backup, navigate to the location where you saved the file. Open the file to check if all selected ads are included. This ensures you have a complete backup of your ad creatives for future use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.